Hi guys! In this video, I will show you how to change date of birth in Facebook using your Android phone. Just keep on watching this video and let's get started. So go to your Facebook account, then go to Profile, then right here, click See Your About Info. Scroll down and under Basic Info, here is your date of birth. Click Edit. Click the date of your birthday. For example, 15. Then click the month. And beside the birth year, click your birth year. Then beside I confirm that I am 19 years old, tap this circle. Scroll down. Then click Save. So right here, I just changed my date of birth on my Facebook. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day!